Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make peanut butter for dogs. Making your own peanut butter for your furry friend is a fantastic way to ensure their safety and health. Many store-bought brands contain hidden dangers like xylitol, which is highly toxic to dogs. By preparing it yourself, you gain complete control over the ingredients, guaranteeing a treat free from harmful additives, excessive sugars, or unnecessary salts. It's a simple, loving gesture for your canine companion. Crafting homemade peanut butter for your dog requires minimal effort and just a few items. The star ingredient is simply raw, unsalted peanuts. Avoid any peanuts with added oils, seasonings, or coatings. For equipment, a sturdy food processor or a powerful high-speed blender is absolutely necessary to achieve that creamy, spreadable texture. That's all you'll need to get started on this delicious and healthy treat. Let's get to the fun part, making the peanut butter. First, if using raw peanuts, spread them on a baking sheet and roast them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. This enhances flavor and releases natural oils. Next, transfer the warm peanuts to your food processor. Blend for 5 to 10 minutes, pausing often to scrape down the sides until it transforms into a smooth, creamy butter. Once your delicious, homemade dog-friendly peanut butter is ready, proper storage is key to keeping it fresh. Transfer it to an airtight container and store it in the refrigerator. It will typically remain fresh and tasty for about 2 to 3 weeks. Remember to serve this treat in moderation. A small spoonful is usually plenty. It's perfect for stuffing toys as a training reward or even to help administer medication.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.